Here's a really easy script to archive a sheet from one of your Google Sheets to a whole new Google Sheet that's saved on your Google Drive. So there's three things we need to do this. We need the ID of the spreadsheet that you want to archive, and you can find the ID in the URL bar between /d and /edit. So if we copy that and put that in those quotes, we want the name of the sheet to archive. So in this case, data to archive. And we want the ID of the folder where we want to save these new Google Sheets. And you can find that in the URL as well, like there. And enter that. So those are the three bits of data you need. What we're going to do is we're going to open that spreadsheet with the ID. We're going to find the sheet with that name. And we're going to fetch all the data starting in row 1, column 1, and then ending in the last row and the last column and fetching all the values. If we have more than one row, then we're going to create a date in this format for the name of the new spreadsheet. We're going to build our new spreadsheet, which is going to be just called archive space and then that date. So you can change that to whatever you want. We're going to find the first sheet in that new spreadsheet, and we're going to start in row 1, column 1 from that spreadsheet. And with the number of rows we have and the number of columns we have, because data 0 represents the first row, so the length of that is the number of columns, we're going to set those values in our new spreadsheet. Then we're going to use the Google Drive API through this Drive app object to find our new spreadsheet by getting the ID from it. So you can see our new spreadsheet, it's called new SS, we're getting the ID. Then we're getting our target folder using the ID we entered above, and we're just going to move our file to the folder. So let's run it. So it'll take a couple of seconds, and now if we come into our thing, you can see we've got archive, space the current date of time. If I open that, then we have the same 11 headers and 46 odd rows of data. So there you go, and that's now fixed. If this changes afterwards, it doesn't impact this one at all.